said it earlier on in my latest video. I was like, we are going to talk about the special types of transformers, that is to say the CT and the PT. So this will bring us, we're going to talk about the special clause and why you never supposed to open circuit a CT and never short circuit a PT transformer while it's operating. So this is going to lead us to electrical instrumentation and measurements. So as per now, we're going to talk about the CT transformer. A CT transformer, this stands for current transformer. A current transformer helps us to solve the problem of measuring large line current safely. So a CT steps that large primary current down to a smaller preciously secondary current, almost the 5 amps to 1 amps that instruments can handle directly. And there is a rule that governs the current transformer. This rule states never open a circuit at a CT secondary while the primary is energized. And this we are going to talk about where you will find them on site. The CT transformers, you're going to find them on site in this way. You're going to find them in a series with incoming feeders for ammeters and energy meters. That is where we are going to find them. Besides that, we are going to still find them in the inside protection panels, feeding of a current and earth fault release. And lastly, we are going to find them in embedded power transformer bushings. That's where we are going to find the current transformer. And second, that is all about the current transformer. So we are going to tackle the PT transformer. PT transformer stands for potential transformer. A potential transformer does the equivalent job for voltage stepping higher system voltages like the 11 kV, the 33 kV, or higher down to standard secondary value, typically the 110 volts, the 120 volts, while preserving the phase relationship. That's how I can define the potential transformer. So even this potential transformer has a golden rule that takes it. So that golden rule states that never short circuit a potential secondary since the primary series directly across system voltage, or a secondary system reflects as very higher fault current through the windings. Always protect the PT secondaries with the fuse or the MCBs. That's the rule that governs the potential transformers. So where are we going to find the potential transformers on site? The potential transformers on site, we are going to find them in cross bush bars, feeding voltmeters, and inducting instruments. So besides that, we are going to find them in synchronizing panels, matching voltage, phase, and frequency before paralleling. So we are going to find them in metering panels and paid with the CTs. So the instruments and measurements, as in on the side of the instruments, like that can help us in the CT and the PT transformers, we shall use the ammeter and the voltmeter plus the energy meters. So then the measurements that can be taken in the CT and the PT transformers, we shall have the power and the power factor measurement, then the protection theories and the accuracy classes. That is all about the CT and the PT transformers. For more information, you can visit our YouTube channel at Kate's Electrical Company UG for more video. Thank you.